Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Hipstock, here back to another video, and today, me and Cameron have been playing some Jailbreak. What was that? Hey, no, no, stop touching me. Come on, we have to get out of here. We have been arrested. Wait, what? How'd you get in here, Cameron?
Antibiotic.
Okay, I just fell right into it. Come on. I'm running backwards on my screen. How are you faster? Never mind.
Me too.
It's so funny. Hey, we escaped. Come on. Go. Oh, the train's coming. Hey, can you drive? Because I need to explain this stuff to my fellow
I'm
youth.
good at driving.
Oh, shoot. Come on. We have to go now.
You'd think it would have someone guarding this place. Oh,
Go, drive, go.
I got the drill.
Alright guys, so we're playing Jailbreak and we got arrested. I stole too many tacos from Taco Bell. Cameron was doing some stuff. Man up. Brick out. What are you doing? Okay, so we just escaped. And then after this, we're gonna go rob some banks. Wait, do you know where the criminal base is?
What?
Do you know where the criminal base is? Wait, is there a police car behind us? I can't turn the freaking car. Ah!
Oh, there's not.
Wait, we need a key card. Dang it.
The train. You want to rob the train? Yeah, I'm like, what do you want to rob? Oh, yeah, we need guns first.
Yeah, go. Get to the,
I don't know where the police...
You don't need to get to the police. Just get to the, criminal base thing. Hard dick.
Get to the,
Yeah,
let's just rob this place if anyone's there. Wait, there might be cops there. I'm checking it out. I don't see any cops.
Why is there like that? What's that for?
Yeah, I don't see any cops.
Wait,
Let's
what's...
just find the train, because the train you don't need a key card to rob.
Wait, you... Stand up! What are you doing, Cameron?
I crashed the car.
Do we get out?
Yep.
Okay, let's go.
What are you doing? I'm trying.
No! Okay, let's go. Jeez! I thought that was a police person.
Did you see that?
Yes. Oh, wait a second. Hold up.
Flying by.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was saying. I posted this is my second video today. What are we doing up here?
Whoa, car. That's a cool car.
Do. Come on. Let's get in. Wait, why did I just go? Wait, did you go up the ladder? Dude, did you go up the ladder? Oh, never mind. Wait, what'd you say?
Is this place being robbed?
Oh, there's TNT. Wait, what did we just blow up?
No, bunch of seconds.
Ooh, just keep on doing it. You get money. Oh, the museum robbery opens in 163 seconds. What's this,
How much?
What?
How much time you have before it opens?
Mm-hmm.
Good time.
Yeah, no.
Like, pretty much 2 minutes.
I guess we could let's just go somewhere else, I guess.
What do you do?
I'm gonna jump onto this tree. I'm stupid.
Yeah, we're gonna do it.
What'd you do? Did you fall off? Well, we have to wait for a while, I guess. So, Oh my gosh, you serious? Huh. So how was your day? 94 seconds. Helicopter.
Yeah, we got the whole game here.
94. Oh, well, there's a little bit more left.
Yeah.
83 seconds. Why are you laughing? This person's stupid. Haha, I could beat you in a race.
You know you can get tens of thousands of dollars from here?
Wait, you can? Holy free shavakadu.
How much dinosaurs are going to be playing that for?
Can we kill this guy, please? Kill this guy. Kill this guy with me. Come on. Okay, he's running away. He's a little freak. What? I know, but I hate him. What was that?
You Logan, this is why you don't mess with people with freaking helicopters with missiles on.
Okay, 37 seconds. Come on. We have to run away. Wait, get done. Ah! It's gonna kill me. How much longer? Oh, don't abuse noob. Okay, I won't. 21 seconds. Okay. 15. 14. 12. 10. 9. 4 seconds. 1 second. Now. Go, 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 go. Ow. What was that? Ow. I died. I'm stupid. I didn't know that at first. Oh, wait.
I'm about to die already.
Well, I'm at the criminal base. I'll grab some guns.
Grab his bones, mate. Grab a bone.
Well, grab as much money as you can, I guess.
I only have space for 5.
Do what? Gunshot, bro.
That's not good.
Well, I changed into my normal clothes, which says I love tacos on it.
How do we go?
You want me to come pick you up? I got the cars thing here.
Wait, how'd you go?
No, I died, so I get transported to the criminal base.
Yeah, we need a key card, by the way.
To what?
Get into the museum. Yeah. Probably have to wait for the freaking cops, mate.
I got stuck, okay. Coming for you. How do you get to there?
Where?
Where you are. Okay, I'm out.
You have to, like, go road into a mountain. I hope that cops aren't coming.
Is that what someone said, or you just said that just to be funny?
Huh?
Did you just say that just to be funny? Hold up.
It opens the freaking door.
Hold up.
I know how to get out.
Drive then. We'll just run away.
And then I died.
You died?
Yeah, I died.
Okay. I'll be... Just,
Nobody.
we need to get a police card. Whatever it is, but whatever it's called, key card.
Killed so many policemen.
You wanna try robbing the train?
Okay, and then I'm gonna try to get a gun. Wait, where's the gun place? Oh wait, no. It's in that pit. I'm stupid. Okay. Shotgun. Why do you have to buy the shotgun? Left hand.
What happened to the tunnel over here?
Oh my god. Okay, I'm good. I just got out.
I'm in the abandoned tunnel, whatever it is, like.
Okay. Where do you want to go? Oh yeah, we were killing cops.
What?
Well, we'll go to the prison and try to kill a bunch of cops. Or I'm gonna find the train and get some money.
Crap. Oh, never mind. Hey, I'm actually right next to the museum where y'all stole the bones.
Okay, I'm going to the
Prison?
It's probably dead now. Nitro.
Wait a second, I'm right next to the police thing. Should I, like, walk in there? I don't think I can. Wait, what? Wait, what did I buy? What do you mean?
Never mind.
I'm coming to the prison.
I'm at the prison. Waiting for me.
Wait a second, where is the prison anyways? Wait. Ooh, the train. Okay, I'm coming. Wait, we are... Did you get arrested?
Where are all the cops? There's a bunch of cops working out here.
Okay, I'm coming to the prison. I'm here. I missed the jump. I'm right here. What's up?
I'm here.
What's up?
You have the gun?
Yep. Wait, where? Oh my god! Why did I do this to myself? Wait, why is it not? Why is it not shooting? How do you shoot it? Okay, there you go. Got it.
You didn't drop a pick.
Wait, what?
You didn't drop a pickpocket. What's up,
You have to pickpocket him. I thought. We might have to do a part 2 of this, by the way, Cameron. Don't shoot me.
I just. Oh my. Oh my god. Do you see this?
Yeah. Oh my god. What is wrong with you?
I snapped my back so bad. I'm gonna look up you later.
Wait, I think someone's coming. Oh, there you go.
Okay. Where are these people?
How do you stand up again? Oh wait, never mind.
This is boring. We need more content, Logan. More content.
I'll show you content. You want to see some content? Oh, why'd you shoot me? You have to get their attentions.
All the cops are on.
They'll lift up the gate and sneak back into prison. Wait, what the? Oh, there you go. Okay, there you go. We're breaking these guys out. Let's go! Lift the gate, lift the gate, lift the gate. Lift the gate, come on, lift the gate!
You're OCD.
What does that mean?
You said that.
Wait a second, there's a thing right here.